In this video, I will unveil the top 10 work-from-home job companies that are always hiring, no matter where you are in the world. From tech giants to innovative startups, these companies offer a variety of remote positions that cater to diverse skill sets. Stay tuned to discover your next career opportunity. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Number 10. GitHub. GitHub stands out as a premier platform for developers, offering a collaborative environment for coding and project management. With its vast repository of open-source projects, it fosters innovation and community engagement. GitHub's unique features, such as version control and issue tracking, make it essential for software development. While it excels in tech-related remote roles, it ranks at number 10 due to its niche focus compared to higher-ranked companies that offer broader job categories. Number 9. Zapier. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects various apps and services, streamlining workflows for remote teams. Its user-friendly interface allows users to create automated tasks, known as zaps, without any coding knowledge. This unique feature empowers professionals to enhance productivity and efficiency. While it excels in providing remote roles in tech and customer support, it ranks at number 9 due to its specific focus on automation compared to higher-ranked companies that offer a wider range of job opportunities across diverse industries. Number 8. TTEC. TTEC is a global leader in customer experience solutions, offering a variety of remote job opportunities in customer service and support. With a strong emphasis on employee training and development, TTEC equips its workforce with the skills needed to excel in a fast-paced environment. Its commitment to creating a positive work culture sets it apart from competitors. However, it ranks at number 8 due to its primary focus on customer service roles, which may not appeal to those seeking diverse career paths like higher-ranked companies that offer a broader range of positions across multiple sectors. Number 7. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a dedicated platform for remote, part-time, freelance, and flexible job opportunities, catering to a diverse range of industries. Its rigorous vetting process ensures that all job listings are legitimate, providing job seekers with peace of mind. FlexJobs also offers valuable resources like resume reviews and career coaching, enhancing the job search experience. It ranks at number 7 because, while it excels in flexibility, it requires a subscription fee, which may deter some users compared to higher-ranked companies that offer free access to job listings and a wider variety of roles. Number 6. Remote.co. Remote.co is a specialized job board focused exclusively on remote work opportunities across various fields, including tech, marketing, and customer service. Its user-friendly interface and curated job listings make it easy for job seekers to find positions that match their skills. Additionally, Remote.co features insightful resources and articles about remote work best practices, enhancing the overall experience. It ranks at number 6 because, while it offers a solid selection of remote jobs, it may not have the extensive reach or variety of higher-ranked platforms that cater to a broader audience and job types. Number 5. Salesforce. Salesforce is a leading cloud-based software company known for its customer relationship management (CRM) solutions. It offers a variety of remote job opportunities in sales, marketing, and technical support, appealing to professionals across multiple disciplines. Salesforce stands out for its commitment to innovation and employee development, providing extensive training programs and career advancement opportunities. However, it ranks at number 5 because its primary focus on CRM may limit job diversity compared to higher-ranked companies that offer a broader spectrum of remote roles across various industries, making them more appealing to a wider audience. Number 4. Appen. Appen is a global leader in data collection and annotation, specializing in AI training data. It offers flexible remote job opportunities, particularly in data entry, transcription, and linguistic tasks, making it ideal for those seeking part-time or project-based work. Appen's unique crowdsourcing model allows individuals from diverse backgrounds to contribute, fostering a rich pool of talent. It ranks at number 4 due to its focus on specific data-related roles, which may not appeal to those looking for broader career options compared to higher-ranked companies that provide a wider array of remote job opportunities across various sectors. Number 3. Lionbridge. Lionbridge is a renowned provider of translation and localization services, offering a wide range of remote job opportunities in areas such as translation, interpretation, and content creation. Its global presence allows for diverse projects that cater to various languages and cultures, making it an attractive option for multilingual professionals. Lionbridge stands out for its commitment to quality and flexibility, enabling workers to choose projects that fit their schedules. It ranks at number 3 because, while it excels in language-related roles, it may not offer the same breadth of job categories as higher-ranked companies that encompass multiple industries. Number 2, Dell. Dell is a global technology leader known for its innovative hardware and software solutions, offering a robust array of remote job opportunities in IT, sales, and customer support. With a strong emphasis on employee well-being and work-life balance, Dell fosters a supportive remote work culture that attracts top talent. Its commitment to diversity and inclusion further enhances its appeal. Dell ranks at number 2 due to its extensive range of roles and strong corporate reputation, but it may not match the sheer variety of remote positions available at the top-ranked company, which caters to an even broader audience. Number 1, Amazon. Amazon is a global powerhouse in e-commerce and cloud computing, offering an extensive range of remote job opportunities across various sectors, including customer service, IT, and logistics. Its innovative work environment encourages creativity and growth, making it a top choice for job seekers. Amazon's commitment to employee development, competitive salaries, and comprehensive benefits sets it apart from competitors. It ranks at number 1 due to its vast array of roles and global reach, providing unparalleled opportunities compared to lower-ranked companies that may focus on more niche job markets or specific industries. In this video, we explored the top 10 work-from-home job companies, always hiring worldwide, from Amazon at number 1 to GitHub at number 10. Each company offers unique opportunities and benefits, catering to a variety of skills and preferences. I encourage you to dive deeper into each of these organizations and consider how they align with your career goals. Embrace the remote work revolution and take the next step toward your dream job today.